Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to work out the lower quartile. First, let's understand what the lower quartile is. Also known as Q1, it's a crucial measure in statistics that marks the point below which 25% of your data falls. It's like dividing your data into 4 equal parts, and Q1 is the boundary of the first part. This value helps us understand the spread and distribution of our data, giving us insights into its lower end. Let's dive into the steps. The very first step in calculating the lower quartile is to organize your data. You must arrange all your data points in ascending order, meaning from the smallest value to the largest. For example, if you have the numbers 5, 2, 8, 1, and 4, you would reorder them as 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8. This ordered list is absolutely essential because all subsequent calculations depend on this correct arrangement. Without it, your quartile spells and resources are key to victory in Forest Run. You can collect various resource tokens, such as fire and fruit, by landing on specific tiles. These tokens can then be combined to craft powerful spell cards, offering unique advantages. Alternatively, landing directly on a spell tile allows you to immediately collect a spell card. Watch out for special tiles. Friend tiles propel you forward, but monster tiles will send you backward. Landmines are especially dangerous, forcing you back to the very beginning. Finally, to find the lower quartile, or Q1, we focus on the lower half of your data. This includes all the data points that fall below the overall median you just found. You then calculate the median of this lower half. Using our example, with the full data set 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, the lower half is 1, 2. The median of 1 and 2 is 1.5. Therefore, 1.5 is your lower quartile, Q1. This means 25% of your data is below 1.5.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.